Welcome back to Free Beer Friday, the show that celebrates the joy of homebrewing and hooks you up with great gear. Last month, we gave away 5 flash kits. Before we reveal who those winners are, we gotta say this month's deal is absolutely crushing it, but more on that in a bit. Flash brewing kits have really been taking off lately, and with school coming back in session, I plan on brewing a batch this weekend for a fun Dad's Night event we're gonna do in a couple weeks. So just something to keep in mind, lots of fun. And last month's winner, the 5 lucky winners are here, 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 and here. Check your email for all the details. A new month means a new prize, and this one's for all of you who wanna take your flavor to the next level. This month, we're focusing on freshness and control, and this month we're giving away the Mighty Mill Crusher, the 2-roller and the 3-roller mill, and Patrick shot a beautiful video on that, so please check that out. Owning a mill has a ton of advantages. In my opinion, I love that smell of cracking my own grain the morning I'm gonna brew. You know you don't get any fresher than that. And really being able to control the gaps is awesome. Let's start with the 3-roller. You get the passive roller, you really get a perfect crack in one pass, and it's awesome. And the 2-roller's really good too, especially for that price. But you're talking about all metal construction, meaning some of them have plastic or wood that can break over time or warp or bend, but this is pretty solid metal, weighs a ton. You can take the handle off, put a drill on there, or even a better yet, a pulley drive system that you can control the RPMs. You can crank it if you want to, that's a ton of work. But these mills are great. Mighty Mill does an awesome job, makes a quality product. Read the reviews online, they're great. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. So, do you crush your own grains at home? Tell us about it. What do you like about doing it at home on your own? Or do you really want to and haven't yet? Which mill are you excited about? Put your comments in below. 2 lucky winners will get MoreBeer gift cards. And speaking of gift cards for the lucky winners, last month's winners are here and here. And last but not least, don't forget there's an exclusive coupon just for you viewers on the Free Beer Friday page. And that's it. That wraps it up for this month. See you next month. Run, dance, monkey, dance.